Now we are on part 33 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. Off-page SEO offers numerous advantages. Now let's delve into further discussion regarding some of these additional benefits. As per Backlinko, a web page that has higher number of backlinks will achieve a higher ranking compared to a page with fewer backlinks. However, it is important to emphasize that when it comes to backlinking, credibility and quality are paramount, rather than mere quantity. Prioritizing quality over quantity is crucial. Referring to moz.com, we can observe that our website valuefig.com has the domain authority of 35. Additionally, we have a considerable number of inbound links from various websites with 575 domains on the internet pointing to our domain. To examine these domains in detail, we can click on linking domains and access a comprehensive list of the various domains directing traffic to our website. Once again, it's essential to prioritize quality rather than quantity. By assessing the domain authority, which measures a website's credibility, we can observe that domains like npr.org have an impressive domain authority of 93. This not only enhances the domain authority of our website, but also increases the potential for driving traffic from such reputable sources. Furthermore, it enhances our credibility. Ultimately, the goal is to obtain high-quality links from respected domains, which will elevate our ranking on search engines. This is the fundamental concept behind off-page SEO. By examining the situation, it becomes evident that we have established connections with trustworthy websites from reputable domains, further strengthening the quality and integrity of our own domain. To add, you can utilize another tool I mentioned earlier in relation to on-page SEO and sitemaps. By accessing the Google Search Console, we can view a link report that provides information about the websites linking to us. Google uses this tool to communicate with the websites that are directing links towards ours. Upon examining the link report, I can identify the top linking sites to our website valuefig.com. These sites include the Crumbie Kitchen with 1,443 links, Cook's Country, Whole Foods Magazine, and Mayan Perfect Kitchen, all of which have links pointing back to our website. Search Console is a valuable tool that serves as a useful alternative, particularly the links report, as it provides insights into the websites linking to your own. However, one aspect that is lacking in Search Console is the domain authority measurement. To fill this gap, you can utilize the Link Explorer tool on moz.com. Simply visit the tool on moz.com, access the Link Explorer report, and enter the desired domain to measure its domain authority. Once you access the Link Explorer tool, you will be able to view the domain authority, further emphasizing the importance of quality over quantity. Link building is closely associated with off-page SEO and is considered the most effective approach. It involves obtaining links from external websites to your own. However, it is essential to note that acquiring high-quality links is not a straightforward task, particularly when prioritizing quality over quantity. Nonetheless, building these links to our website will significantly contribute to improving our rankings. The core objective of off-page SEO is to establish links from external websites to our own, thereby enhancing our rankings along with the aforementioned benefits. Backlinks are recognized by Google as one of the key ranking factors. While on-page SEO tactics like optimizing title tags, meta descriptions, URL structure, and headers are crucial, achieving a balance is essential. Google not only evaluates how we optimize our website internally, but also how the wider online community perceives our website's worthiness to receive links from high-quality websites. It assesses if our website is deemed valuable enough for other reputable websites to link to, extending beyond individual on-page optimizations. The presence of numerous high-quality links to your site implies that your own site is also of high quality. This is the fundamental principle behind the significance of link building as an important factor. From Google's perspective, the ultimate focus is on providing a positive user experience. Google aims to ensure that websites ranking on the first page of search results are of high quality. These sites should load quickly, offer valuable content, and regularly update their content. It is not merely about having an excessive number of links with keyword-stuffed title tags, but rather about delivering a holistic and exceptional user experience. Google and other search engines aim to safeguard the online ecosystem by prioritizing quality. This underscores the significance of link building. Within link building, there exist various types of links. When a link directs from one website to another, it can be categorized as a follow link or no follow link. The purpose behind distinguishing between follow and no-follow link is rooted in the understanding that search engines including Google constantly crawl the entire web to gather as many web pages as possible. These pages are then stored in search engine servers to be presented in search results. Other search engines follow a similar approach by crawling websites and follow links. Their primary objective is to navigate from one link to another, ensuring a comprehensive coverage of the web. As we discussed earlier, internal links are links within your web pages that direct to other pages on your own website. External links, on the other hand, are links originating from one website to another and pointing to your website. In the case of external links, the website linking to your site has the option to specify whether Google should follow or not follow the link. If the website includes a no-follow tag in the anchor text, Google will still follow the link but will not attribute the link itself. To clarify, if a reputable website like Wikipedia includes a link pointing to validfig.com, but that link is designated as no-follow link, Google will not acknowledge or credit the link itself. Consequently, validfig.com will not receive any link juice or recognition from Wikipedia through that particular link. However, if the link is a follow link, Google will acknowledge and credit the backlink, granting the validfig.com the associated benefits. Receiving credit for the backlink will naturally lead to an increase in domain authority and potentially improve your rankings. It is crucial to be mindful of the different types of link building, including no-follow links. When attempting to establish a link on an external website, it is important to ensure that it is a follow link rather than a no-follow link. This is because with a no-follow link, you will not receive credit or recognition from search engines for that particular link. The primary objective of link building in terms of SEO is to receive recognition from reputable websites by obtaining a backlink to your own website. In this context, a follow link refers to an instance where the hyperlink or anchor does not contain any no-follow link attribute. Conversely, if a hyperlink includes a no-follow attribute, it indicates that you will not receive credit for that backlink. It is important to remember that no-follow links restrict search engine crawlers from following the link, resulting in the absence of any past link juice. Without the transfer of link juice, you will not receive credit for the backlink. If you do not receive a credit for a backlink, it would affect the measurement of your off-page SEO. However, by utilizing tools such as Moz or Google Search Console, you can access your backlinks. In these tools, the links displayed are typically follow links. This is because Google recognizes and acknowledges these links. If there were no follow links, they would not appear in the tool's link reports. Therefore, it is crucial to consider this distinction when evaluating and analyzing your off-page SEO performance. It is important to note that if a link is designated as no follow, you can verify this by examining the HTML code of the link itself. The presence of a no follow tag within the hypertext indicates that it is a no follow link. When discussing link building and off-page SEO, the focus is primarily on acquiring links from high-quality websites. The question then arises, how can we achieve this? I have outlined several approaches to accomplish this. One effective method for off-page SEO and link building is guest blogging or regular blogging, which I will discuss in more details shortly. Another strategy involves listing your website on reputable and trustworthy directories. While Wikipedia may not be considered a traditional directory, it serves as an example of a reliable platform. Additionally, you can reach out to individuals or businesses to request testimonials, further enhancing your credibility and link building efforts. When collaborating with clients or other websites, you have the opportunity to request testimonials or ask them to include a link back to your site. Ultimately, link building is about building relationships, as each link represents a connection between websites. Another avenue for generating links is through content promotion on social media platforms. These are just a few examples of strategies to acquire links. However, let's revisit the significance of blogging as it plays a crucial role in off-page SEO. Engaging in blogging allows you to create valuable and fresh content that is appealing to your target audience. The advantage of blogging is that it is accessible to anyone, and while optimizing the content is important, the true beauty lies in its potential for relationship building. For instance, as a food blogger, you can contribute guest articles to other food blogs, which can include a link back to your own blog. Similarly, you can invite other bloggers within your industry to write guest posts for your blog, providing an opportunity for them to link back to their own website. This mutual exchange of guest blogging not only strengthens relationships but also expands your reach and increases the number of quality links to your website. Blogging provides ample opportunities for link building, as it serves as a dynamic platform for generating fresh and engaging content. When you produce interesting blog posts, it naturally creates opportunities for others to link back to your content. When writing about intriguing topics, it is natural to include links to other relevant and captivating resources. Therefore, blogging presents an excellent opportunity for fostering link building through the creation of compelling and interconnected content. It is crucial to prioritize acquiring links from authoritative web pages rather than multiple links from low-quality web pages. Referring back to the Link Explorer report, it is important to focus on domain authorities and identify websites with low domain authority. Emphasizing quality sites is key. When discussing links, there are inbound and outbound links, but our focus lies on inbound links from high-quality websites pointing to our website. These inbound links can originate from various sources such as blogs, social media, or partner sites. The essential factor is ensuring that these links are follow links and not no-follow links. Simply put, we aim to obtain external follow links that direct to our website. However, it is worth noting that not all inbound links need to point solely to the homepage. We should also strive for links pointing to internal pages within our website. And that ends the part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 34.